Hello student, electrical properties of solid. So electrical properties of the solids. Solid can be classified the three category: conductors, insulator and the semiconductor. So conductors, those solid which have the conductivity range 10 to power 4 to 10 to power 7 ohm inverse per meter are called the conductors, and it can be further classified the metallic such as the copper, zinc, iron, etc., and the electrolytic such as the NaCl, KCl, etc. Another one is the insulators. So insulator are those substances which have the very low range of conductivity 10 to power minus 20 to 10 to power 10 minus 10 ohm, power minus 1 m power minus 1 are called the insulators such as the plastic, wood, rubber, sulfur. These substances are considered as an insulator. Semiconductors, the conductivity range between the insulator and the conductors are considered as a semiconductors. So 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to power 4 ohm power 1 and per meter are called the semiconductor. This conductivity of the solids can be explained by the band theory of the conductivity. So what is the band theory? The atomic orbital of the metals are so close in the energy that they are overlapped to form a large number of the molecular orbital. When two atomic orbitals are combined together to form the molecular orbital, for examples, one oxygen and another oxygen, two atomic orbital of oxygen combine to form the molecular orbital of O2, like as the molecular orbital theory. It very close in the energy. This set of molecular orbital is called the band. So the energy difference between the very small overlapping of orbitals, atomic orbital and the molecular orbital. These molecular orbitals are called a band, and bands are two types: valence band and the conduction band. The band formed by the lower energy valence orbital is called the valence band. जो लोअर एनर्जी में होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल्स लोअर एनर्जी में वही होता है जो एटमिक ऑर्बिटल होता है. कंडक्शन बैंड, द बैंड फॉर्म बाय द स्लाइटली हायर एनर्जी. तो हायर एनर्जी या हम दूसरे तरीके से कंसीडर करें 2s एंड 2p, दो एटमिक ऑर्बिटल हैं, तो 2s की एनर्जी लोअर है तो बैलेंस बैंड हो गया, एंड 2p ऑर्बिटल हायर है, कंडक्शन बैंड हो गया. On applying electric current, electrons can flow from the valence band to the conduction bands. This is explained by the figure. देखिए, एनर्जी इन द अपर इज हायर एनर्जी, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर एनर्जीज है, ए इम्प्टी ऑर्बिटल्स है, ए फील्ड ऑर्बिटल्स है. तो कंडक्शन होता क्या है, कंडक्टर के केस में इम्प्टी एंड द फील्ड ऑर्बिटल जो ओवरलैप हो जाते हैं दोनों, तो एक कंडक्शन बैंड बनाता है और एक बैलेंस बैंड बनाता है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन इजीली फ्लो बैलेंस बैंड टू द कंडक्शन बैंड, and this is considered as a conductors. Next one is the insulator. तो balance band and the conduction band, the energy gap is a very large and electron cannot be jump in balance band to the conduction bands, therefore it is the insulator. When electrons jump and move easily, so conduct, but it do not jump easily, so it is the insulator. Next is semiconductor, have the energy gap is very small and electrons, some electrons, not all electrons are jump, so some electrons are jump to valence band to the conduction bands, so it is considered as the semiconductor. So it have the some properties of the conduction. Conductors, when the conduction band and the valence band overlap, then the electron can flow easily under the electric influence, are good conductors such as the metal. In case of the metals, the atoms are overlap like this orbital and these orbitals are overlapped together, then electrons can easily jump and conduct electricity. Insulators, when the gap between the field balance band and empty conduction band is a large, जैसे कि इस केस में है लार्ज है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन नॉट बी जंप इजिली, सो इट इज द इंसुलेटर. Semiconductor, the gap between the field balance band and conduction band is very small, so it some few electrons are jump and conduct electricity. So electrical conductivity of metal decreases with increase of temperature because on heating the positive ion, metal start vibrating and produce the hindrance in the flow of electrons. जैसे ही हीट करते हैं तो जो पॉजिटिव आयंस मेटल होता है उसमें हिंड्रेंस हो जाता है और वो वाइब्रेट करना शुरू होता है, तो मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को डिक्रीज कर देता है, आसानी से फ्लो नहीं कर पाता. ओके.